Bread, as we all know, is one of the most easily consumed food in Nigeria. Bread is regarded as one of the most common food eaten in every home. It can be consumed together with any of these foods such as tea, fried egg, beans, bean balls, akara, moi-moi, butter and soft drink. It was gathered that bread is one of the most lucrative business one can venture into since it is the mostly consumed food in every home in Nigeria. Nevertheless, bread can easily be made by you at your own comfort zone to get the satisfaction you need.
Here are few ingredients needed to baking your own homemade bread.
For maximum of 5 people, you need the following: 2 cups of flour, ½ cup of powdered milk, 2½ tablespoonful of sugar, 5 tablespoonful of butter, ½ cup of yeast, 1 sachet of milk flavor, 1 tablespoonful of salt, 1 raw egg and 2 tablespoonful of groundnut oil. Here are the procedures for baking your own homemade bread without an oven. 1. Pour warm water in bowl, add sugar and yeast and stir very well. Cover for 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Get a fresh bowl, pour flour, milk, flavor and salt. Mix thoroughly. 3. Add butter and egg to number 2 above and mix thoroughly. 4. Pour the mixed yeast and sugar into the mixed flour. 5. Mix thoroughly until it forms a dough. 6. On a clean surface, knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. 7. Add 2 tablespoonful of groundnut oil. 8. Roll your dough in the groundnut oil. 9. Cover well and leave for 1 hour as this will double the dough. 10. Divide dough and knead into desired shapes. 11. Grease your baking pan with little butter and add little flour. 12. Put your divided dough into your baking pan. 13. Cover again for 30 to 40 minutes as this will increase the size of the dough. 14. Set your pot for baking, place 3 or 4 set of tins inside the pot as this will serve as stand and will prevent your bread from burning. Place on low heat and heat for 2 minutes. 15. Put your bread pan in the pot and cover it, bake for 25 to 35 minutes. 16. Use a clean broom stick to check if the bread is done. Just dip the stick inside the bread, if it comes out freely without a dough sticking to it, it is done. 17. Rub some butter on the bread while it is still hot. 18. Turn out the bread from the pan and allow it to cool. 19. It is ready to eat alone or with any other food of your choice.